What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video we are going to look into the seek tell functions and we are going to discuss what's more in Python files. So I'm quickly going to make a new Python file right here, and this time I'll name it as file io2, and INO will be in capital, and then I'll make it as 3 because we have already made the second file. So as you can see right here, I had made a data underscore text file in which the content is that Ansh is a good teacher, and after that Ansh is a good boy as well. So I'll write another statement right here that Suman is a good boy, and after that I'll go to my file, and then I'll make a file pointer by writing f is equal to open, and then I'll write data underscore text dot txt. So after this I'm going to write print and then f dot read line, f dot read line. So what does this function do? It reads a line in the file, and if I run it, as you can see, it has read a single line, and after that if I print it again, it will print the two lines. So if I run it, as you can see, it has printed Ansh is a good teacher, and after that it has printed Suman is a good boy. Now the seek function here guys, when your pointer right here, this file pointer f, when it reads a line, it ends in the last character of the first line, and after that when you print it again, that is when you put the readline function again, the function pointer then ends up after the y. So how can we know that where is the function pointer? We can tell where is the function pointer by using the tell function. So if I write print f dot tell, and after that if I print f dot tell, and I'll similarly write here the same sentence f dot tell, and if I run this program, as you can see, it has printed 0, and after that 24, and after that it has printed 45. So what does this mean? Right here in our data underscore text file, the pointer was at the 0th character, but when I told it to read a line, it went to the last character in the first line, and after that it has read it 24 characters. So it has ended up at the 24th place, and after that when I told it to read another line, it had ended up after the y. So that means that he was at the 45th character. So that's what the tell function tells us, that where our pointer is and at which point has our pointer stopped. And it is really important in professional programming. If you want to know that where has my pointer stopped, is there any error in this text file, why isn't the data getting into my program, and what is the reason due of this error. So we can make the use of f.tell in order to know that, and I'll comment this tell function, and after that I'll write print f.seek, and after that I'll write 0. Now what's seek function? Guys, as you can see, when the pointer was at 0 and after that I told it to read a line, it came after r. When I write seek 0, the pointer will go back to the 0th element. So whatever you write inside the seek parenthesis, the pointer will go to that character. So when I write 0, the pointer will come back at a, and after that when I tell it to read the line again, it will read the same line because it is at the 0th character. So if I run this, as you can see, it has printed Ansh is a good teacher, and after that 0, and after that again it has printed Ansh is a good teacher. So I had actually printed the f.seek. So if I don't print it, the 0 will go away, and as you can see, it has printed Ansh is a good teacher and Ansh is a good teacher. And if I want the pointer to come at the 10th character, and if I run it, as you can see, it has printed Ansh is a good teacher, and then it has printed good teacher. So Ansh is a, and then a space, so those are the 10 characters, and after that the pointer has came here, and then it has printed Ansh is a good teacher. So that's how the seek and tell function works in Python. I hope you guys understood in today's video. These are really important functions. Guys, right now I've done some basic mistakes in this program. One mistake. In the comment section below, write down what mistake I've made with the timestamp, so that you can get some small quizzes, and it would also help you practice. So write down, this is a small quiz in which you will have to write down what mistake I've made in this program, and I hope that you have written it because I'm going to tell it in 3 seconds. So 3, 2, 1, and you can even pause the video if you need time to write the comment. So guys, in this program, I've made a mistake by not writing f.close, that is to close a file. As you can see, our program was running perfectly, but it is a really good practice to close the file, because in professional programming, you will have millions and billions of data in a file, and the resources that are binded to the file would have to be freed. So that's why we use f.close, that is the close function. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't accessed my Python for Absolute Beginners playlist, you can go on to my channel, and after that you can click on playlist and click on view full playlist. So after that you can see here that I've made a whole Python playlist in English for beginners. So I've uploaded 28 videos, and this is going to be the 29th videos. We have talked about writing and reading files. Then I'd given you an exercise solution as well. So this is a really good playlist, and I'm going to make this playlist a bit more bigger because it's my plan to teach you every aspect of Python. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope you're safe, and I'll see you next time.